Everything we do is OSHA approved.
Yep. Oh, you're pointing that way.
Oh, am I?
Yeah.
Oh, no wonder I couldn't see you. Goddamn, I might have to get up on that one.
Yep.
Get up and get back.
Get on up, get down. He said, can we do a fire? I said, how quick? So,
Who did? Steven?
You. I make stuff up.
Oh.
There'll be all kinds of lies on this video.
Oh.
This is about to ignite. What's Stephen doing over there?
Rigging them sticks this way.
Yeah.
I don't see her picture no more. Did it die?
Oh, it's still going.
Oh.
It's safe, that stuff. Some relish, mustard.
Smile for the camera.
Cheese, buns, awesome stuff. The tractor cometh. All right, we got all the fire pretty well burned up. Oil's burned off, so you know we do what we do next, and we got some. We're down, got some hot dogs.
What's he called?
Some skewers,
Relish? I mean,
and about right here as far as you want to go, because it's really warm over there. We'll get in here right quick, spin them a little bit. Oh my God, it's getting hot, my forehead. Oh, these are gonna be great. These are gonna be great. Those are gonna be awesome hot dogs. Awesome hot dogs.